Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Evernote to PDF. Search on Google Recover Evernote Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your Evernote files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing Evernote files. Select Evernote Files folder. Check the file. Click on PDF. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 5 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Converted PDF file.